Hey guys, want to know how to make super simple calculator which can perform these four operations like addition, multiplication, division and subtraction? Then watch this video till the end. There are three important libraries are required for this particular project. I'll tell you in the mid of the video. The code and circuit diagram link is already given in the description. You can check it once. Press the I button to know how to download OLED Display library. In this video we will see how to download Keypad library. Click on Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library. And there you have to write Keypad. And you have to download the latest version. If you want us to make a separate video for interfacing of Keypad with Arduino, then type yes in the comment. It's time to upload the code by selecting appropriate board and COM. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you again in the next day with a brand new video. You can also join our Discord community. There you can just hang out with your new friends. You can read ebooks related to robotics, electronics circuit, and a lot of cool things you can do there. So the link is already given in the description. You can just check it once.